Hi all, this is Vikneshkumar from Essence College of Technology, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Information Technology. Lecture video series number 1 says about what is basics of computer. Lecture video series 2 says about input-output devices, and this lecture video says about building blocks of algorithm. In the building block of algorithm, we have been continuing lecture video series number 4. Next, we are going to see about the control flow. The control flow is also started as a flow of control, which determines what session to go in the running of a given time. Normally what will be control flow, will be seeing from what step will be first, next step will be second, and third step post, that is in a sequential order or selection order or conditional order or looping statement. Sequential control flow means after step 1 it goes to step 2, after step 2 it goes to step 3, after step 3 it goes to step 4, after step 4 it goes to step 5. That is called sequence control flow. Next is a selection and control flow is nothing but condition control. Based upon condition, the control flow behaves like that. That is for example, if the condition is true, what happens is that it select the thing. Next we go for looping. Looping is that till the condition is true, the statement gets executed repeatedly number of times, repeated numerous number of times. This is called looping iteration or repetition control flow. Okay, see, first one is your first one is a sequential control flow. As I already said, sequence is the first step, second step, third step, fourth step. It's some sequence order. One after another it will be getting executed. Normally when we see in this, that is first you have start, next you have read the values of a, next we read the value of b, sum equal to a plus b, we are going to print the value of sum and we are going to stop. That is sequential control such used to perform one action after another. At the time there will be only one step will be executed. This will be a top down approach, or top to, this logic is called top to bottom approach. First step, second step, third step. This is a sequential control flow. Next, we are going to see about selection or conditional control flow. A selection flow is nothing but it makes a choice between true or false. If the condition is true, it goes to the action 1. If the condition is false, it goes to the action 2. For example, when we take an example of this algorithm, when our entry condition, when the condition is to what happens, it goes to true, action 2 will be getting performed. When the condition is false, we will go to action 1, action 1 will be performed. On that, the simple selection condition will be going to use of if condition. If it is true, it performs action 1. If it is false, it goes to certain condition. If it is false also, it goes to certain condition number 3. For example, take an example of step 1 start. We are going to have a read A, next we are going to read B. If A is greater than B, what happens? The A will be, that is step 4.1 will get executed, else step 4.2 will be get executed. That is the number print A is greater or print B is greater will be get executed, hence the process will be stopped. Here you need to notice is that based upon a certain condition, that is true or false, true path will be get executed. If it is false, false path will be get executed. This is your selection control flow. Okay, next we are going to see about repetition control flow. The repetition control flow is nothing but based upon a certain condition is true, the statement will get repeated again and again. This is called repetition control flow. A repetition control flow means that one or more steps performed repeatedly until some condition is reached. That is, same statement will be get executed until again and again and again and again, till the condition is true. For example, when take repeat until condition is true, the statement, that is, we will be taking example of printing values of 1 to n. What is step 1 is something about start. Step 2 consists of read values of n. Initially we are going to from where we are going to print that, we are going to print from the value of 1. We are going to assign the values int I in the initialize I as 1. Next, what we are going to do, we are going to repeat the value of until we are going to repeat 4.1 until n1, that is until, that is till the value of n, that is n is number 10. For example, we are going to give the n value, so we are going to print 1, 2, and it goes to step 4.1 goes to step 4. It says repeat, that's the condition that I is less than n till the n values, till the n values, step 4.1 will get increase and increase till after when n values being increased, that is I values being larger than n, then the process stops. This is called repetition control flow. Okay, see, in this video we have been seeing about what is meant by control flow. And the control flow have three things: sequential control flow, selection control flow, and looping control flow. The sequential control flow consisting of normal addition, subtraction, or normal things, where sequential from step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4 is from one step ends after one step and step 2 start, like that it will be in sequence. Next, your condition, based upon a condition, the control flow will be there same, but in this conditional flow, the statements get differ. In this true means true statement will get executed, false means false statement is, whereas in the repetition control flow, the same step will be repeated until the condition is true. Hence, thank you for watching this video. Thank you.